Welcome to Experiments with Silver. Today we are showing you guys how to make your own oobleck. To make your own oobleck, you need cornstarch and a little bit of water. First, put in a little bit of cornstarch into the bowl. Then start to add the water, but do not add too much water because this will make your oobleck too watery. Then mix the cornstarch in the water around, adding more water and more cornstarch if necessary. You will start to feel a sticky like material in your hands when the oobleck is ready. Keep mixing until you do not feel any more lumps. Once the oobleck is lump free, adjust it with more cornstarch and water to make it to your liking. Once the oobleck is done, you have successfully made a non-Newtonian fluid. A non-Newtonian fluid is both a solid and a liquid. If you touch it very quickly, it is a solid, but if you touch it very slowly, it becomes a liquid. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like if you liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one.